Welcome to Cesare Lomraso, your ultimate guide to mastering criminal jurisprudence. In this video, we'll cover essential review questions to enhance your legal knowledge. Criminal Law and Jurisprudence Review Questions, Set 2A. Are you ready to test your skills and excel in your exams? Subscribe now for more law-related review content. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple-choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. Which of the following is not covered by the rules on summary procedure? A. Violation of rental laws. B. Violation of traffic laws. C. The penalty is more than 6 months of imprisonment. D. The penalty does not exceed 6 months imprisonment. It refers to a territorial unit where the power of the court is to be exercised. A. Jurisdiction. B. Jurisprudence. C. Venue. D. Bench. The anti-bouncing check law. A. RA 6425. B. RA 8353. CBP.22. DRA 6975. The taking of another person's personal property, with intent to gain, by means of force and intimidation. A. Qualified theft. B. Robbery. C. Theft. D. Malicious mischief. Felony committed when a person compels another by means of force, violence, or intimidation to do something against his will, whether right or wrong. A. Grave threat. B. Grave coercion. C. Direct assault. D. Slander by deed. These are persons having no apparent means of subsistence but have the physical ability to work and neglect to apply himself or herself to lawful calling. A. Pimps. B. Prostitutes. C. Gang members. D. Vagrants. A medley of discordant voices, a mock serenade of discordant noises designed to annoy and insult. A. Tumultuous. B. Chivalry. C. Sedition. D. Scandal. The unauthorized act of a public officer who compels another person to change his residence. A. Violation of domicile. B. Arbitrary detention. C. Expulsion. D. Direct assault. The deprivation of a private person of the liberty of another person without legal grounds. A. Illegal detention. B. Arbitrary detention. C. Forcible abduction. D. Forcible detention. An offense committed by a married woman through carnal knowledge with a man not her husband who knows her to be married, although the marriage can be later declared void. A. Concubinage. B. Bigamy. C. Adultery. D. Immorality. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.